blue, green, yellow, red, purple, orange, oh, white, any color. I'm colorblind. Black. Look at what's happening. This is our original shot. This is how we shot when we wanted to record this video. We didn't have different t-shirts. We only edited the color of the tops. If you want to know how we did it, follow this video to the end. Change the color of your outfit. That is the title of our tutorial today. Remember, these shots were only shot on a phone. We didn't use any expensive camera. This is Addis Ababa Entertainment, and as usual, the voice that you are hearing is the voice of Selector Uncle. Remember that our aim is to entertain and educate you on the latest editing hacks that will make your social media videos more fun and look even more professional. They will stand out apart from the normal social media videos that your friends post each and every day. They will be asking you how you have been doing and how you have upped your game nowadays. If you want to change your outfit in videos, please follow this video to the end. The steps are very easy, as you can see on your screen. First of all, load your main video in the main track. It will appear at the top of the editing dashboard. Duplicate it as a layer and touch the second layer and click on split screen. Follow the video step by step and keenly so that you can understand what is going on. After you touch the second layer and click on split screen, choose the rectangle shape to make the video full screen. Next step, the one that you are seeing there, black and white, is the chroma key. We are on the chroma keying step. Choose your keying color to match the color of your outfit or the color of the clothing that you want to change the colors in the video. If you are wearing a black t-shirt and that t-shirt is the one that you want to use, choose black as the keying color. If you are wearing a blue or green, and in my case you can see that I'm wearing purple, but purple doesn't exist among the colors that we can choose, but the nearest color is blue. That is why I chose blue. Adjust the parameters to get a clear black and white. No grays, no other colors. Clear, black and white. Then, as you can see, we have gotten back to the main video area. Click on your main video, the main shot that you shot on your phone. As you can see, that is our main shot. You can see the vest is only purple. It's not green or yellow or blue or red or any other color that you will see after we finish our editing. After you choose the main area, the main video on the main area of the editing dashboard, the next thing is to split your video into pieces. Where do you split this video? You split it at points where you want to change the color of your outfit. Repeat the procedure till the end. Everywhere that you change the color, example like in our video, everywhere that we had an action is where we stopped to change the color, so that when we edit it, it may look like some magic of changing the t-shirt color when somebody or the character does anything in the video, like clapping, moving their hands, changing their facial expressions, patting their faces, and any other action that you can see our character on the screen is doing. Those are the points that we considered so that we can change the color of our outfit at those points, and we cut them by using the split tool in our editing dashboard. Repeat that procedure until you get to the end of the video. Repeat it until you get to the end of the video. As you can see there, it can take a few minutes or a few seconds depending on the length of your video. As you can see here, our video was lengthy. That's why it took us a little bit long to split the whole video, but you have to do it. There is nothing that you have to leave to chance, because you want your final cuts to be the best and look exactly what you wanted it to be. As you can see, we have come to the end of our video, and after splitting it, play it a little bit to see what is happening, and verify where you cut. Your cutting points are where you wanted them to be. If they are not where you wanted them to be, you still have time to rectify and get them to where they are supposed to be. Next, you will use the filter tool. In the filter tool, you will choose any color that you want. There are reds, there are blues, there are greens, there are purples, choose the colors of your choice among those available options. There are very many options, and you can even buy plugins that will give you a wider variety of tools that you can use to change the colors of your outfit in your videos. Repeat the procedure as you can see in the video until you get to the end of the video. Each piece that you had split, you can use a different color, or you can even repeat colors when you in any way that you want, as long as your end product satisfies you and meets your goal and your target as you had planned. Repeat the procedures as per your own plans and as per your own liking. Remember, I just want to remind you that this is Addis Ababa Entertainment, and our main aim is to entertain and educate you and give you the latest editing hacks that will make your social media videos more appealing to those who are viewing them. They will not be too raw when you are posting them. This is the end of posting normal social media videos. Please subscribe to our channel, help us grow our channel, help us reach more people by sharing our content so that more people can learn from what we do and change the way they post their social media videos every day. Remember, it is Selector Uncle who is speaking. You can also follow me personally on various social media platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, and other platforms that include TikTok and Instagram. Remember that we are going on with changing the color. This procedure might take a little bit long because you have to move one by one, piece by piece, and it's taking long because our length of our video was a little bit longer. If it would have been shorter, then the time that was used to change those colors will be relatively shorter. Change your colors, choose them according to your own preferences. If you want greens, if you want reds, if you want whites, follow this video step by step so that you cannot miss anything that you want to use in the future when you're editing your videos. If you miss anything, you are free to pause and confirm. You are also free to rewind to that point where you want to see the technique so that you can apply it in your own videos. Remember, the techniques are the same, the apps are different, the techniques will always be the same, be it on smartphone apps or on desktop apps. The main thing that they are doing, and that's a very good thing, they are competing to help you get the best editing tools online and easy ways of editing your videos so that you don't post raw videos online. Yeah, you can see now we are through. Play your video to verify if it is what you wanted at the end. Before you start editing, I know you will have something at the back end of your mind that you want to achieve. If you follow this video to the latter, you will end up with something like whatever you are seeing as posting on top. Goodbye, and follow those tricks. Remember to share our content. Remember to comment so that we can grow our community. Thank you. And always remember that we always reply to all the questions that you ask in the comment section. So don't feel shy to ask about anything that you want clarity from our videos. We'll also like your opinion and other forms of feedback that will help us change and improve on the way we engage you in our videos and improve even in aspects of quality and any other aspect that you may see needs improvement, because we value your feedback and our fans are our priority.